escaleras. On the right hand side, you can see now Esturion, which is the launch that is coming and approaching. Please don't go all of you to the same side.
We are about to go through first lock of the Panama Canal. Well, that's a lovely houseboat. Pretty sure it's vacant. There's a bunch of boats waiting to go through the canal. So apparently the smaller ones tag on with the bigger boats, so they don't have to pay to get through. So when we order something from China, it either lands in Los Angeles and shipped over by truck, or it lands here. Pacific coast of Panama is put on one of these boats, shipped over to the Atlantic Ocean, and then
damas y caballeros, queremos sugerirle a las
we get it
personas
in
que
the east coast of
están
the
en la
USA.
proa al descubierto otro grupo de locomotoras eléctricas estarían entonces amarrando a esta embarcación.
We're next.
Esto no para mantenerlos la embarcación totalmente.
It's closing very slowly.
Ahí están las compuertas cerrándose en estos momentos.
This is going to close, and then we're going to fill up with water. So we came from there. That's the very beginning of the Panama Canal. Well, shit. 2 hours ago was the beginning. This is the first lock. They brought us in, put that gate up, filled it up with water. Now we're on to the next one. On the way to from Pacific Ocean, a couple hours over there, on to the Atlantic Ocean, which is about 6 more hours that way. We're going very slow motion.
We only have one gate que teníamos al ingresar. 7 feet in order to comply with a total of 54 feet above sea level.
We shall be rising soon. We are rising now to get up to this tank. That's the viewing platform for people who don't want to take the full transit. You can see the boats going up and down. I'm on the boat. You can see it going up and down. We are nearly up to the top. And then we'll move forward to the next lock. There's the gates. Those are my friends who bought me some wine. And a beer. And now we are raised. It's taken nearly like 30 minutes or so. We got came from that lock to here, and here we are. These are the belts that help you not hit the side. So we are bumper to bumper with these boats. Hola! We are going up now, I think, in the lock. I should have been paying attention, but we were inside in the cool talking. So there's the big boat that we've been following, and this government boat. Whatever. Not totally sure what that guy's doing, but something government related.
Tenemos al remolcador con nosotros, así que creo que vamos a ir directamente hacia la pared.
Not totally sure, but we're getting close to this boat, I guess, for whatever reason. And then the gates will close behind us.
En estos momentos,
So raras. Close. The gates will close.
again, when we have going con puertas delanteras, básicamente porque tenemos otra
This is amazing feat
gran
of
masa de
engineering.
agua frente a nosotros, que es parte del lago Gatún. Water,
26 million gallons of water, but it's reused.
another 26
Comes
more
down
will be
from
used
some mountain
on the
somewhere.
Caribbean side for a complete of 52 million gallons of fresh water for the entire operation. So here we'll be using completo.
That is a massive
Anuncio
boat.
especial.
Oh, it's
Todas
raining now.
aquellas personas que no
Look at all
han
those
usado
shoes that are in there for me.
la-
This boat is massive, so we're here. Probably come up to like there on this boat. There are so many high heels in there.
Miren qué grande es la embarcación.
It's raining a little bit, but it's fine.
Aquí se abate. Please step up to the second floor.
So people who are not going all the way for the 8-hour tour with us are getting off hill.
Of the Smithsonian, which they have the best library in
Can hardly
terms
see.
of neotropical information of the world in Panama Canal.
That little island. More flora at Bana. In that little island than there is in todos los Estados Unidos. Beautiful now after the rain. The Miraflores Locks. It's so big and open now instead of the small canal. Well, we're still in the canal, but this is the little wobbly. This makes us look like we're so tiny. Or so big. Or so tiny. That's a small boat. This is the barge. Getting closer to the last lock. This boat's pretty close to us. This boat came from the Atlantic. This boat and us came from the Pacific. Or Gulf of
Hacia transferir el agua.
He kept telling selfie, how many selfie?
We're nearly close enough to touch the walls of the Panama Canal. Maybe. Watch me to drop my phone. Nope. Ugh. Nope, not yet.
Anybody needs permission?
You can barely see the top of the lighthouse now.